Welcome to Math TV with Professor V. It's Tuesday, December 6th, 2022, and here's the integral of the day. I got a definite integral for you people from 1 to 2 of x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 1 over x cubed plus x squared dx. So perhaps it's jumping out at you. We have a rational function. Most likely we're going to utilize partial fraction decomposition to get this integral rolling. And I want you all to be aware that since the degree of the numerator is not less than the degree of the denominator, we first need to long divide before we work out the partial fraction decomposition. Oh yes, this is a beast of a problem. So we've got x cubed plus x squared, and we will be dividing it into the numerator. If you are rusty on polynomial long division, I will link a video here for you, okay? I don't know why that 3 just doesn't want to look cute. Okay, there we go. Plus x minus 1. It's a skill you're going to just need to keep sharp, okay? But it's true, unless you do it on the regular, it's not something you're going to walk around remembering. Okay, so just look at the leading terms exclusively. What do you need to multiply x cubed by to make it x cubed? Why just 1? So I'll put that up here. And then you distribute. So we'll have x cubed plus x squared sitting below. And then we subtract it. And x cubed cancels out. Then I have 3x squared plus x minus 1. That's all my remainder. So now I have, for the time being, this is integral 1 to 2 of 1 plus, here's the remainder, 3x squared plus x minus 1 over the divisor, which is x cubed plus x squared dx. Now it's time to figure out the partial fraction decomposition for this term here, okay? So let's hop to it. Partial fraction time. And notice the denominator, I need to factor. So let's write it down here. We have 3x squared plus x minus 1. And then I do need to factor the denominator. I can pull out an x squared from both terms, and then I'm left with x plus 1. So let's think here. X squared, that is a repeated linear factor. So the decomposition is going to have the following form. I'm going to have a over x plus b over x squared plus c over x plus 1. If you need a refresher on partial fraction decomposition, all the videos are linked in my description box. Okay, let's multiply through now by the LCD, which is x squared times x plus 1, and see what we have here. So this is going to be 3x squared plus x minus 1 equals ax times x plus 1 plus b times x plus 1 plus cx squared. And now our task is just to find the coefficients a, b, and c. So let's just go ahead. Let's let x equal -1. If I do that on the left-hand side, I'm going to have 3 times -1 squared plus -1 minus 1 equals, that's just going to be 0 plus c times -1 squared. So let's see here. This is 3 minus 1 minus 1. So that's just 1 equals c. Oh, how fabulous. All right, what if I'm going to box this because this is the important piece to work with. What if we let x equal 0, since that will zero out the cx squared term? Let me write that down. That's what's happening next. So let's let x equal 0. Then on the left-hand side, I'm just going to have -1 equals 0 plus b times 1 plus c times 0. So I can see, okay, b is -1. Lovely. And then to get further, we do need to multiply some stuff out. I was putting it off for as long as possible. So let's see here. We've got 3x squared plus x minus 1 equals ax squared plus ax plus bx plus b plus cx squared. And the only constant I'm missing is a. Notice here, let me equate the coefficients of x squared. So the coefficients of x squared on the left, that's just 3. That must equal a plus c. And I already know c is 1, right? So that tells me a is 2. Wonderful. So now we're in business. We've got a, b, and c. I'm going to substitute those in for the coefficients or the constants here in the partial fraction decomposition, and we can get back to our integral. So we have now, I'm just going to rewrite the whole definite integral from 1 to 2. Remember, we had a 1, and then a is 2, so 2 over x. B is negative 1, so I'll write minus 1 over x squared, and then c is positive 1. So plus 1 over x plus 1 dx. All right, all of these terms we can just antidifferentiate directly. So antiderivative of 1 is just x, plus antiderivative of 2 over x, it's 2 natural log, absolute value of x. This minus 1 over x squared, that's negative x to the negative second. You add 1 to the exponent, divide by the new exponent. So if I add 1, it's going to become x to the negative first, and I divide by the new exponent, and there was already a negative sitting out there. So that's just going to become positive 1 over x. Try to work up to where you can just do that in your head. That's that guy. Plus, and then antiderivative of 1 over x plus 1, ln absolute value x plus 1. And all this we evaluate from 1 to 2. All right. How exciting. We didn't need any u sub or anything else, right? Just our good old noggins. Okay, upper limit first. So we're going to have 2 plus 2 ln, 2 is positive, I don't have to put absolute value, plus a half, plus ln 2, that's the upper limit, minus 1 plus 2 ln 1 plus 1 over 1 plus ln 2. Well, ln of 1 is 0, so that's gone. Bye-bye. What else? Let's clean up. Let's clean up our constants. I have 2 plus a half minus 2. So all that's going to leave me with is a half. Did you see that? That was kind of cool. Okay, then we have 2 ln 2 and another ln. Oh, that should be a 3. Temporarily went bonkers. Okay, 2 ln 2, and then this is minus ln 2, so that's just 1 ln 2. And then, oh, poor little ln 3 left out of the party. You can leave it like that. Would we like to show off, utilize our properties of logarithms and combine those two natural logs? I say yes. 1/2 plus ln of 2 times 3 is 6. Voila, that one's more beautiful. I'm going to not box the one before. So that concludes the integral of the day. Hope you enjoyed it. Give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and entertaining. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I have full-length lecture videos on Calculus 1, 2, 3, even pre-calc, trig, a little bit of differential equations and linear algebra. And if you want access to exclusive content, click join to become a member of this channel, or you can sign up for my Patreon. All the info's in the description box. Take care, you guys.